Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. With several different mobile devices in our lives and sometimes in our bag, it's pretty handy to have a keyboard that can be used for multiple devices. So Justin's going to show us this cool new keyboard that lets you handle multiple devices.
Hi, my name is Justin Amber. I'm the Equipment Loan Specialist with the Indata Project for Easter Seals Crossroads. And today I'm going to show you the Logitech K480 Bluetooth keyboard. Alright, to start off with, I'm going to show you just a few simple steps that make this device such an easy thing to use. So the first step that you have to take to set up the Bluetooth keyboard with the device is to use this knob over here on the right. And there's 3 devices that you can hook this device up to. And there's 1, 2, 3, and it's really simple. And to change between each device, all you have to do is just move that knob to the device that you want to use. And so for the first one, I have it paired up with this iPad. And I already have it paired up, but when you do pair it up, all you have to do is go into your settings on whatever device you're using. And this is also compatible with Android, Windows, Chrome OS, iOS, and Mac OS. And so you go into your settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and it'll discover the keyboard. And all you have to do over here is select whether it's an Apple device or a Android or Windows device. And you hold that button down for 3 seconds, and it'll start flashing like that. And then you select the device on your device. Make sure it's connected. It's connected. Alright. So just to show you kind of how it works, we'll just go into Task, the Task app on the iPad. And then say, I've set up my tasks on here, but that's not really where I wanted it, so I'm going to go over to my iPhone. Alright. Now I'm going to set a reminder for myself on my phone to go get groceries. And it's that simple, so this is already set up. A cool feature about this item is the fact that you can place devices in this little slot on the actual device. So it's small enough where you can fit an iPad and an iPhone, but unfortunately you wouldn't be able to fit an iPad with a case on it. So I normally have an OtterBox that I use with this, but I couldn't fit it in there. But I just wanted to be able to show you how this would work if you weren't able to hold a device. This is a very convenient option to have, so I'll kind of lift it up here so you can check it out for yourself. Lastly, I want to show you how easy this is to set up with any device. So this is actually connected to a computer right now. And one of the very cool things that comes along with the setup on the front of the keyboard is that it directs you to the website for the device. And any questions that you may have can be answered here. They have all the Q&A, the specifications, anything that you can think of that you have questions about, you can find on this website. And they do that just so it's easy for you to get familiar with the device. And the last thing that I would probably say is really great about using this is that it's one of the cheaper models of any Bluetooth keyboard out there. So many of the devices that have 1 or 2 device functions can run you upwards of $100, and this is only $50. And that was the Logitech K480 Bluetooth keyboard device. For more information, you can go to logitech.com. Thanks for watching.
So there's a handy way to use a single keyboard to use multiple mobile devices. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.